zoomed right into it.
I did not even see how he did that.
What he does is my food.
So is it. He plays fourth in nationals last
Did
year.
he?
Yeah. Ooh. Damn, he looks aggressive, bro. Shit. Let's go, Sean! Sorry, I don't want that in the video. I cussed a little bit.
If anyone is planning on forfeiting the rest of the matches, please make sure you stop in and see Mike Smith to let them know that you're dropping out of the tournament. It'll make the rounds go faster. Please don't leave. If you don't plan on wrestling anymore today, make sure you stop in and tell Mike Smith so we can get the forfeits in the back.
Right there!
Mike Smith is located through the lobby in the office. Thank you.
Shot, Sean. Look, you're slowing down. You're slowing down, Sean. Get drive. Go ahead.
Roll with that.
Bump, roll. Down to the ankle and roll with this. Bump. Drive him now. Break that hole. 20. He's cool, huh? That's it, let's go. He set the pace.
At least I'm not the only one who feels like this.
Weight class 115, Philly Liberty, Matt Floor, 30 seconds.
Now work! Pressure! Don't get too high! Pressure on! Get off your toes! Get on your toes! Watch your shot! Watch, Mike! Put it in! Pressure! No! Back point!
Advanced 145, about 426. Austin Prince, if you're in the school, please report to the head table.
That's it, let's go! Way to work, Mike. Hey, Mike, pinch. Hey, coming in. To the sky.
Spectators,
Hit it!
producers,
Hit it!
if there's any bottles or trash laying around you, we ask you please throw the garbage can located at the bottom of the bleachers.
Go, let it go.
Facility crew, thank you.
That's it! Break that! Break it! Now get up! Don't give it up! Up! That's it! Power through! Now! Take it! Take it! There it is! Kick it out, Mike! Kick that leg out! No! Take him! Fly him out! Take it! Put him on his back, Mike! Kick his leg out with your left leg! Bring him back, Mike! Mike, get that arm out of there. Way to work. Way to work, come on. Mike, it's fine. Don't give anything up. You can't let it. Don't give up those arms, Mike. Can't give up those arms. You gotta clear those arms.
He looks like a 30.
Clear those arms.
He looks as big as me. He looks a lot bigger than this. In most
Get that leg out. Kick it.
Will Joe Cesari please report to the head table?
Kick it out.
Joe Cesari to the head table.
How's the time? No. Good. Way to work. You go, whatever you want. What? Tell him whatever you want. Mike. Right up.
Open
Right up,
Conti
Michael.
semis. We are going to filter your matches in. Please watch the board. Open Conti semis. We are going to put some of your matches
Shake 'em!
on the board.
Watch it. Watch. Keep rolling. Don't go to your back. Take them now. Mike, break that. Take it. Mike, you got 3 on that. 3-2. 5-3 here. Clamp it, Mike. Clamp it. Keep working. 5-3, Mike.
Go, Mike, can't get out.
How much time? Speed coming up. Hold on to it. Go inside. 15. Mike, here it comes. No. Mike, don't let it go. Don't let it go. Use it. Yeah. Time. Time up. Woo!
Oh, it's close as hell.
Yeah.
Chief Executive of Best Western.